Hi guys, I'm Kenine Crooner in Austin here, and I'm gonna make another angry message to Joel Armstrong. Joel, I'm gonna make another angry message to Joel Armstrong. He made a video about, it's his cringy video, reviews a useless freaking rant. So Joel Armstrong, you need to delete all of your bad videos. Your videos are bad. And he also made a bad video out of me, I guess. I think Joel Armstrong made a bad video out of me, I guess. Let's watch this video.
Hey guys, it's Joel from here.
Gonna turn up the volume. Yeah, you are, Joel Kiko. You'll enjoy that video. It's not useless, Joel Armstrong. It's not useless. RWBY Animations is a bad user because RWBY Animations kept on calling me a Kiko, and he also told me to piss off. So that's why I made some angry message videos out of RWBY Animations and making a rant out of RWBY Animations. Let's watch the rest of the video. Really, Joel Armstrong? Why did you spy scribe me? This is ridiculous. Guess what? If these users kept on bullying me, then I'm gonna quit YouTube. Let's watch the rest of the video. Joel Armstrong, you know that you cannot tell people to piss off. You know that's not nice. Joel Armstrong, you're incorrect. RWBY Animations is a bad user because RWBY Animations called me a Kiko. He told me to piss off. Joel Armstrong, I hope you'll be terminated and never come back to YouTube. No, Joel Armstrong, you're incorrect. RWBY Animations sucks because he called me a Kiko. He told me to piss off. You know that you cannot call good users a Kiko. I'm a good user. RWBY Animations is not a good user. RWBY Animations is a naughty user. Joel Armstrong, you're incorrect. Let's watch the rest of the video. See? I'm a good user. I rock. I'm a good user. I'm not a bad user. I'm a good user. RWBY Animations 2005 AAF AVGCP is naughty. That one is, this user is a bad user. Joel Armstrong, you know that you cannot call good users a Kiko.
I hope you get terminated.
Joel Armstrong, I don't need to get terminated. You need to get terminated. Because you're trying to make a bad video out of me? Well, Joel Armstrong, you're a bad user too, because you're trying to make bad videos out of good users. And you're trying to make a bad video out of me.
Yeah. Well, this is how learning.
Joel Armstrong, I'm not incorrect. You're incorrect, Joel Armstrong. You're incorrect. Joel Armstrong, you're incorrect. Gaming Master, Shining Starco, and other good users are better than RWBY Animations. Joel Armstrong, I'm not incorrect. You are. You're incorrect. You always make bad videos out of good users. Joel Armstrong, I hope you'll get terminated. Joel Armstrong, I hope you, RWBY Animations, and Vicky Prince will be terminated and never come back to YouTube. If you guys won't get terminated and keep making bad videos out of me, then I'm gonna quit YouTube because of you, Vicky Prince, and RWBY Animations. Joel Armstrong, you're incorrect. I'm incorrect. I'm correct. I'm correct. Joel Armstrong, you're incorrect. Joel Armstrong, I am correct. Joel Armstrong, you're incorrect. Joel Armstrong, you, RWBY Animations, 2005 AF, AVGCP, and Vicky Prince are both naughty. Joel Armstrong, you're the most bad user ever. You always make bad videos out of good users. Joel Armstrong, you, RWBY Animations, and Vicky Prince are both naughty. Oh my gosh, Joel Armstrong. Joel Armstrong, you know that RWBY Animations is a bad user. Yeah, Joel Armstrong is trying to make a bad video out of me. See, this rant is not useless. Joel Armstrong, I hope you'll get terminated and never come back to YouTube. Yeah. Joel Armstrong, you need to be terminated and never come back to YouTube. Well, this is my angry message to Joel Armstrong for trying to make a bad video out of me. Yeah, and Joel Armstrong, if you're watching this, yeah. So Joel Armstrong, if you're watching this, I hope you'll get terminated and never come back to YouTube. Your videos are naughty. Because, yeah, these videos are naughty. He made some naughty videos out of Gaming Master, Dave the Airbus A3, or I mean Dave the SpongeBob fan. Yeah. Joel Armstrong, I hope you'll get terminated. And you need to stop making bad videos out of good users. And you need to stop trying to make a bad video out of me. You know that RWBY Animations is a bad user.